First, we will take you to visit our LED screen showroom. LED rental screen is one of our flagship products, and we will introduce its use and functions in detail. You'll learn about its flexible installation and disassembly options, making it suitable for a variety of events and venues. We will demonstrate how to make the LED rental screen display high-quality picture effects through simple operations, and share some successful cases. Afterwards, we will take you to visit our LED screen aging workshop. Here, you will witness with your own eyes the entire process of our product aging testing. We will show how to test LED screens for long periods of time and in different environments to ensure product quality and stability. You will have the opportunity to learn about our strict quality control processes and efforts to ensure the reliability of each LED screen.